Need a business superhero? Someone who can move mountains, conquer chaos, and make your dreams a reality? Yeah, we've all been there. Meet David. He's a successful entrepreneur, but his business was too successful. He was spending all his time on the nitty-gritty details, leaving him no time for the big picture or even a decent night's sleep. David knew he needed a virtual assistant, but the thought of wading through hundreds of applications was, well, let's just say it wasn't his idea of a good time. He'd tried hiring freelancers before, with mixed results. Some were great, some were not so much. He needed a super VA. Then he discovered Online Team Member. They promised a rigorous vetting process, taking the headache out of hiring. David was intrigued. He learned that Online Team Member sifts through hundreds of VA candidates. We're talking 100, in fact, meticulously evaluating their skills, experience, and communication abilities. Out of those 100, they handpicked the top 3, the cream of the crop. David was impressed. This wasn't your average hiring process. This was a selection process. This was the VA equivalent of the Olympics. But the process didn't stop there. Online Team Member then helped David interview those top 3, ensuring the perfect match for his specific needs and company culture. They didn't just throw a VA at him, they helped him find the right VA. And that's how David met Clark. Clark wasn't just a VA, he was a force of nature. He handled everything David threw at him, from managing complex projects to calming anxious clients, with effortless efficiency. David finally had time to focus on growing his business, knowing that everything else was in capable hands. Clark was a master of multitasking, a whiz with spreadsheets, and a ninja of communication. He was practically superhuman. David's business flourished. He regained his work-life balance. He even started sleeping through the night. He often wondered how he ever managed without Clark. He sometimes joked that Clark was almost superhuman. And then it hit him. Clark Kent. Wait a minute. Do you need a VA just like Clark? Well, maybe not exactly like Clark, but at Online Team Member, we'll find you the top 1 out of 100 so you can find your business superhero. Stop struggling. Stop wasting time on endless interviews. Let Online Team Member find your perfect VA so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business and enjoying your life.